Hi guys, this is Aman Sarma. Are you struggling to grow your business online, whether you are selling product, offering services, or just starting out a digital marketing, especially Facebook ads, can run completely transfer the way you reach the customer. In this video, I will break down how Facebook ad work and why they are so powerful and how you can use them in your daily life to grow any businesses. So stick around till the end because I will share how practical tips can apply today. Digital marketing equal to promoting product services using online platform. Channels include social media, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, search engines like Google Ads, SEO, email marketing, and content marketing as well. Why it matters? People spend hours of online daily. Business need to be very there from customer are. For example, think about it when you are search for a restaurant, you can check Google where you want the clothes, or you can scroll Instagram directly. Digital marketing connect the business to the customer exactly where they spend time. Facebook ads equal to paid promotion of Facebook and Instagram. Key features: targeting age, location, interest, behavior. For budget control, start with a little as $5 per day. Analytics track click conversion and ROI. For example, imagine you own a bakery. Instead of handing out flyer, you can run Facebook ad targeting people within 5 km who love cake. Sounds interesting. Suddenly, hundreds of potential customers who see your ad while scrolling their feed. Business owners promoting local shops, salon, gym, freelancers showcase service like a graphic design or tutoring. E-commerce drive traffic to online store events. Advertise workshop, concert, or webinar. Daily life example. If you are relaunching a yoga classes, instead of hoping people notice you poster, you can run a Facebook ad targeting health conscious individual in your city where days your classes may be full. Step by step running your first ad. Go to your Facebook ad manager, choose your objective. Likewise, traffic, leads, and sales. Define your audience, location, age, interest. Set your budget, design your ad creative image or in the form of video and text. Launch and monitor results. Pro tips: always test different ad creative for a small change in headline or image can double your result. Digital marketing is not just for big companies, it also for everyone. Facebook give a power to reach the right people with the right time without wasting money. Start a small experiment and watch your business to grow. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more marketing tips, and comment me what kind of business you want to grow. I will reply in the comment. Bye.